Put your hands down, Ricky Bobby.
He starts talking again. Layden be smacking that. In my next interview, I'm doing that. Like, I don't know what to do with my hands right now. You can just put them down, Peyton. It was a good game. It was a really good game.
Plain and simple. I'm the best there is.
This our right here? All right. Nope. Cut that.
Here we go, boys. Hey, this group right here takes this game over one play at a time, over and over and over. Let's go. Line on three. 1, 2, 3.
No doubt, man. Let's go now. Give us what we need now. Give us what we need. Leave no doubt, 11. Give us what we need now.
Let's go. Hey, I'm going to keep it real with you. My heart on 5.
Yes, sir.
We got to let this burn. We got to let this burn. We got to put these in the fire with it. Point blank, period. Ain't no other way. We don't lead this without a dub. Point blank, period.
At the 32-yard line, 3rd down and 3.
Come on, Micah. What you got for us? 3rd down, we need to stop. 3rd down, strip sack.
Cousins back, no rush, now flushed by Parsons, caught by Parsons, and sacked and fumbled.
Let's set this off! Right. What you talking about, baby? I told you. Hey, keep going. You said it. Hey, he gonna be on your mind now.
27 for the first points, kicks away, kicks good.
Run back to him, man. Come on.
How you feel? You feel all right? I'm good. I'm gonna let him start, then I'm gonna bring you in. Okay? First down!
Traded field goals.
Easy!
And on first down, they'll run it up the middle. Pollard.
Easy!
Left side, he broke 3. 40. Still on his feet and tripped at the 35.
See the boys running their ass off the ball. Look at that.
Prescott under center from the 1. They'll give it a Zeke. Left side, crashing at the goal line. Touchdown, Elliott.
Let's go, man. Come on. Oh, they're not physical enough. Let's go. Keep 1, 2 punching that. They can't stop you for 4 or 5 plays. Then Zeke going. He can run that every time.
And they gonna kill the clock. They ain't gonna be able to be out there.
They're not gonna even be on the field.
From the Vikings 21, they're going to hand the ball to Dalvin Cook, coming left. Nice job by Dorrance Armstrong.
No, sir.
To the left of Cousins. 3rd down, back he goes. And he's going to get dropped by Armstrong and Parsons.
You gotta earn that pass rush. You gotta earn that pass rush. You gotta earn that. When we earn that, that's dogs go.
Hey, when we handle our business, this is what we get to do. Yeah.
We won't do this often, but the reason I'm doing this, right, when you're looking for work, go back and work that. I'll make this guy miss. You know what I mean? Tyler's gonna stay on him. If he gets through, I'll feel that, but that then gets me that seek out.
Crowd's nuts. Prescott in the gun. Snap back. Hand off Pollard. No, Prescott's got it.
Oh, I got Foden. Yeah, Foden.
Left to right, white jerseys. Prescott in the gun, back looking, standing. Hurry up, throw in the right flat, caught. Elliott, Pollard, 25, 20 on the right sideline. Pollard streaks in.
Yes, sir, TP. Hey, that's big time by y'all. Hell of a start. Keep going, bro. They can't run with you. Yeah.
1st and 15.
Not let them get this, man.
Minute 5 and a half. Cousins back. Pressure. Parsons got him.
What is that?
Just go down, Kurt. Just don't hurt yourself.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Looking real different. Hey, he was scared as hell. Bro, I was there. I thought he threw it. I let him go. I saw him step up and throw. I said, no way. Yeah. I said, no way. Damn, bro. Bro, he was literally, you was like this, and he was right there, bro. All I had to do was keep going. Bro, I thought he would throw the ball, bro. When you watch that, he gonna be so mad. Yeah, you was like right by him. That was a nasty fake, bro. I thought he threw the ball. Hey, rush with our eyes up. We're under control. We missed that free tax there. We got 100. We need the ball like it is life. You understand me? Come out in the second half. We choke these
Let's go!
He rolls to his right. Great job by Biotish to give him protection. Throws it down. Ball's caught on the right sideline.
I got it for 1-3.
60 yards on the right hash for Maher.
Bang this, brother.
Come on, man. 60. What's that?
Snap, hold, kick
What's that?
from 60. Doesn't look. Wait. Got it. It's good.
Prior to the ball being snapped, replay stopped the game.
Oh, wow.
Talk about replay stop what? That's crazy. Hey, how many times they gotta watch perfection? Hey.
After review, the ruling on the field does stand as called.
We being new this.
He has just been standing out there saying, well, just let me know if I got to kick it again.
Take 2 from 60 to end the half. Operations clean. Kicks away from 60. Thank you very much. Can we count that one? And the crowd has gone double bunkers. Snap back to Prescott. He's got a lot of time. Deep down the right side. Oh, he's caught at the 45, 40, Pollard, 20, 10, Pollard, Uncle.
I'll say that.
Line that boy out. He don't need no hand out.
Why they got the linebacker on you? Why they got the linebacker?
That boy Tony.
It was just like practice.
Hey, good ball. I've been wanting that all year.
Man, I was hearing about a jet taking off. Everybody hush mouth. They hush mode.
First Vikings possession of the third quarter. Play fake. Sacked! DeMarcus Lawrence. Boom, hello.
Second down.
Look out.
And Fowler now explodes through, and he's got Cousins.
D-Law, every time you hit his ass, say, what up, cuz? What up, cuz? What up, cuz? Hey! Hey! Oh!
54-yard punt, 19-yard inbound, 30.
That's all. Oh, do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Say that!
To his right.
And they're coming.
Snap back, 5-man rush. Deep down the left side, he's got a man all alone. Noah Brown caught it.
Woo, I thought they were going to take that.
Second and goal from the 1. Elliott, how about you, Zeke? Spin off the guy and walk the dog.
Nothing better than the fourth quarter hat. We're going to get it. No, this is the series. I need to be in this series, and then after the 4 minute, I'll come out. I need one more series.
Take your ass to the bench.
No.
Why? It's 8 minutes. What the hell? 8 minutes, coach.
We got to play Thursday, bro. We got to play Thursday. That's
What does that mean? I better not practice. I better not practice.
You don't think no one's practicing.
It's 8 minutes, coach. Actually, it's 8:16. I better not practice that. If I'm not practicing. Not practice.
Don't practice anyway.
Yeah, you two better stay out. Big time job.
Know what it is, man. Come back here, rebound, get a big dub. Now we're going to have a good plane ride home. You hear me?
Headed back to D-Town, baby. Short week. On the Thursday.